Hello family, I'm Mahershavi. Welcome back to my channel Learn and Lead. Today our topic is idioms. Are they really beneficial? Let's see. When you want to cook something delicious, what will you do? You will add better ingredients, right? In the same way, when you want to beautify your conversations, you have to add these idioms. So make use of idioms like, for example, you wanted to say, yeah, the decision is yours now. Rather than putting it in that way, you can say, yeah, ball is in your court. Now the ball is in your court. That is a better way of expressing that. Or when you want to say that you are happy, yeah, I'm on cloud 9. That's what tells that you are happy. Or if your friend let your secret out. Now in that case, you can say, the cat is out of the bag. You want to say that don't lag, just come to the point straight. Then you can say, don't beat around the bush. That means, yeah, please come to the point directly. Better late than never. When you wanted to advise your friend, you can put it in that way. That means you might take much time to do something. Obviously, working is better than doing it never. Or in the same way, you can tell her that a little learning is dangerous. So when you want to learn something, you must learn it completely because half knowledge is always dangerous. Never forget this fact. If you wanted to console your friend who is clinging to the past, you can say, don't cry over the spilt milk. Because you can never change your past. In that way, you can pacify your friends or family. If you wanted to express that, it is very easy. It's just a piece of cake. You can say it's just a piece of cake. To say that it is very simple. Or if you wanted to say that it is not that easy, then how are you going to put it? You can say it's not a rocket science. You just wanted to give a piece of advice to your friends that don't judge by the outer appearance. Then you can say don't judge a book by its cover. Or if you wanted to describe the weather condition, because this is a rainy season, when it is light, you can say it is drizzling. Or when it is raining heavily, you can say it is raining cats and dogs. If you wanted to say that you are ill because of the weather, you can say feel a bit under the weather. And if you wanted to advise your friends that talk less, you can say actions speak louder than words. You just wanted to say no pain, no gain. And the same way, you wanted to advise anybody that you shouldn't go by outer looks. Okay, like for example, the physical appearance, the beauty doesn't reflect the inner personality. In that case, you can put it like, don't judge a book by its cover. You can say best of the both worlds. That means you can try which is beneficial to both the parties. In that cases, you can say best of the both worlds. And also in some cases, you can use idioms like break the ice. That means please try to make the people feel comfortable. In that cases, you can use break the ice. Or when you wanted to say that, yeah, because of the like mindsets, we became friends. In that case, you can say birds of same feathers flock together. In most of the cases, when you are suggesting your friends in the hardships, then you can say no pain, no gain. Pain is the best master and where you can conquer many things. In that case, you can say no pain, no gain. For example, if the papers were given, some test was conducted and your friend or your neighbor was just trying to keep the blame on someone else, you can say it is the poor workman who blames his tools. That means he is not ready to take the blame, but he always ready to throw the blame on someone. For example, when your friend is sad, you just wanted to boost him. In what way you can do that? You can say it's always darkest before the dawn. That means if we never know the depth of darkness, we can never appreciate light. In the same way, always tough times guides you because the real suffering enables you to be a better human being. In that case, you can say it is always darkest before the dawn. Or when you want to express that it is very expensive, then you can put it like it costs an arm and a leg. That means it is very expensive. You might pose a question that are they really necessary? Yes, idioms are really necessary mostly for the non-native speakers because native speakers can understand this in a better way because they mostly use idioms. I think this video is beneficial for non-native speakers as well as the native speakers. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.